Hey guys, it's your guy Vicklin from Nigeria Now, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upload photos on Instagram through your PC. We all know how easy it is to upload photos on Instagram if you're using a mobile device. It doesn't matter which mobile device, Android or iOS. It's relatively easy to upload photos via these platforms. But when it comes to PC, the case is different, right? So uploading photos on PC is quite difficult because Instagram have provided little or no, extra feature to control the way people upload photos on their platform through the use of computers. So in today's video, I'll be showing you 4 easy steps on how to upload photos on Instagram through your PC. It doesn't require any emulator nor other third-party app that will help you to do this. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to visit Instagram, log in your account on Instagram via Google Chrome. So once this is done, right click and navigate to right click using your mouse and select the inspect element. You can also use the Ctrl+Shift+I. It's a shortcut that will take you to the inspect element section. So once you're in this inspect element section, your screen is going to be split into 2 halves, and don't panic, we don't have any business with all these codes you are seeing here. All we have business is this particular icon at the top, which is step 2. So in step 2, you have to select this icon at the top here, looking like a tablet, right? So once you tap this, it is going to convert your screen to Instagram to like a mobile compatible screen. But that is not it. This takes us now to the step 3. Step 3 is coming down to this responsive tab you have up here. Select and choose a mobile device you want to emulate this screen with. Like you want this particular screen to look like any of these mobile device you have up here. So I'll be using the iPhone X. I want it to emulate the look of the iPhone X, which is the resolution. So once this is tapped, you will notice a smaller, responsive screen, which is looking like what you have in the original iPhone X. So once you're here, you can see that you have a mobile compatible, Instagram right now, but there's something lacking, which is the upload button. So to get this upload button, all you need to do is reload this page. So once reloaded, if you look down here, you will see that you have the plus icon that helps you to upload images on Instagram. So the 4th step here is to actually upload. Let me test upload, so you see that it's actually working. This method works. So I will click this and try uploading a photo on Instagram. So you see this, you have the filter, you can play with filters. So once you have selected any filter that suits your taste, you proceed to the next part where you have to include your caption. So you add a caption here. So you can also tag people if you want. You can also tag people here and also add location. So once this is done, you can simply hit the share button. And there you go, your picture is on Instagram. You can see that. That's it. So guys, that's the easiest way to upload images on Instagram via your computer. It doesn't matter which computer, Windows or Mac PC, it works fire. It works like magic. It works perfect, right? So that will be the end of my tutorial today. If you like this video, give it a thumb up, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for coming. Thanks for having me with you. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Stay blessed. Have a good day.